Apple postponed the announcement of iPhone SE2, aka iPhone 9, due to coronavirus. Apple planned to introduce the iPhone SE2 at the end of March, but it looks like the presentation is not worth waiting for this month. What is known? According to the source of the DigiTimes publication, they decided to postpone the announcement of the new smartphone to the second quarter of this year, all due to delays in the supply of some components. The problem, in turn, is associated with the outbreak of coronavirus, COVID-19, in China. By the way, because of him, the MWC 2020 exhibition, the Facebook F8 and Google I/O 2020 conferences, as well as the Geneva International Motor Show were cancelled. Recall, iPhone SE2, aka iPhone 9, will cost around $400. He will get the same design as the iPhone 8. The smartphone is credited with a 4.7-inch display, 3 GB of RAM, up to 128 GB of storage, 3 colors and an A13 Bionic processor, like the iPhone 11.